So there are things say long hore bo auntie ba di etsa ho letsa say long hore di edile salt and vinegar mo hare ha this name.
Yes.
But it's a thing because already there's a video.
Okay,
And phela ke na le matla a hore nna video e lang ka make sure ya tlhahella mo screening. So e re ke tlwele party mara auntie ola re mmone ba go tlhorena etsa so ba etsa nge bo auntie ba ho letsa
esko tlhalosetsa hore ke bona ba attendang mostly.
Yeah, ha re tlo ya attenda ba etsa
no ke o tlhalosetsa ke bona ba attendang mostly again.
Yeah.
And then ke bona ba enjoying the music that we play even more.
Okay.
Understand they can express themselves easily because those things are attending each and every week.
Yes.
They come once in a while.
Yes.
And habale mo they maxicare or I bought.
But
understand? See more about capture moti.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, okay, good. Action ke tso mo bo auntie. A hona auntie mo wa no se la itatlhela mo wena o letsa or low face o letsa. And you're talking to me.
How do we itatlhela ra bjang?
No, obviously. Yeah, obviously.
It happens. It happens.
No, yeah, and I'm happy with it. Guys, it happened. It happens. So it was happening, and it's still happening. Continue.
But as an artist, you know.
I know.
This,
I know. I had videos by Itatlela, mostly Jimanko. I know.
Exactly.
But yeah.
So, but we act professional.
So you act professional?
Yes, I do act professional.
Yes. But antiki bona ba offering pa he ba tshwere 3 nyana 4 nyana 5 nyana 6 nyana.
I understand. Yes. So we act professional.
So Machomi, you add that name and you're like, no, I'm not a DJ. Your auntie's favorite DJ.